Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Well, today is Throwback Thursday, y'all. So I am out here to fly with one of my classics. This here is the Attop A8, and also known as the $5 quad most recently. Because this thing went on sale at a China brand website for $5, and I tested it. I took one for the team and ordered it myself first to make sure that it was a legit website, and I received this and an orange one, and I think I got another one too. I think I have a red one, but I had that one already. That was my original one. But this thing flies awesome. It's sold out nevertheless from the China brand website, but I still have two of them. I think I gave my orange one to my nephew, and so we're out to fly this guy. This guy is deviated. It flies awesome yaw rate and everything. Nice pitch on it. Now deviation does give it a little more pitch with the dynamic trims turned on, but one thing to note is that you have to have the dynamic trims turned off when you first buying this thing, or else it'll just keep flipping over for some reason. I don't know what that is, but I figured out that you have to turn the dynamic trims off on the CG023 protocol that it's on. So this thing flies on that protocol on jumper. Of course, I have the jumper out here. It's always better to fly these quads with jumpers. And in case you don't know what a jumper is, that's a multi-protocol transmitter. And this guy does have an on and off switch. It's a little finicky on this one, but it's working now. I have an older battery in here, so hopefully the battery can hold the charge. I have a backup one as well. Okay, so it looks like this other battery is good. So check it out. Oh, we got this battery flashing too. Oh man. Let's see how long we can fly this thing around. I did charge these batteries fully though, so I don't know, but they are pretty old. Another reason I want to change all of my batteries to the newer style batteries, because all of my other batteries are getting old. So it is in the air though. You guys can see this thing fly straight. Check out the yaw rate. Fast yaw rate. And it has pretty decent pitch. Check it out. I think I have the dynamic trims on right now. Let me check real quick. It's hard to check it while I'm in the air here. Let me check again. Actually, let me bring it over and land it. Catch it actually. So let me check this real quick. See if the dynamic range is turned on. It's off. So I'm going to turn the dynamic range on. So usually if you turn the dynamic range on in mid-flight, it doesn't make the quad flip out or anything. So check it out. So the funnels are a little more deep now. The pitch is a little more deep. A lot more deep. Actually, it dives now. Check it out. So I guess the only kind of flips you're gonna see is these manual flips. That one was kind of slow. Here we go. Check it out, flying high with it. because this thing is green. I should have brought the red one out because there's all this grass out here. But this thing is large enough for you guys. It should be large enough for the camera to pick up. This thing flies awesome. Check it out. Manual flip. And I got the throttle all the way up. I don't know if this LVC warning is a fake LVC warning, because it's been flying pretty long. And it's flying nicely, but I can't do any flips though. No manual flips. Actually, I didn't try any. Let me try. Nope. Well, no button flips is what I meant to say. I can do manual flips all day. Again. Okay, the battery must be getting low now. I got the throttle all the way to the top. So pretty streamlined. This thing is very flat. That's a good and a bad thing. When you're flying forward, it actually seems like it helps it fly faster, but when it's a windy day and windy conditions, this thing gets thrown around. Okay, so I think it's going down now. So we got a little bit of a flight out of it with that partially dead battery, but it was a pretty nice flight though. Had some fun with it. Maybe I should have gave the other battery a little more time, whatnot. It probably was a false LVC warning as well, because I just charged these batteries all the way up. But I think this video was long enough. So this is the Attop A8, the $5 quad. Thanks for watching.